Cashless everywhere. One of the biggest announcements of 2024, and it came out of nowhere. It's getting everyone excited. So in this video, we will explain what cashless everywhere means, how you can benefit from this, and why there is one big problem that could mean an existential crisis for the entire scheme. So let's get started. First things first, what is cashless everywhere? So right now, if you have a health insurance policy and you have to make a claim, you can do it in two ways. The first is called the cashless procedure. This means you go to a hospital, you give them your policy document or your policy number, and you tell them what problem you have, and then you just chill. Because in the back end, the hospital will take care of everything. They will take your policy number, intimate the insurance company about your admission, and they will make a claim on your behalf for the medical procedure. The insurance company will look at the details of your procedure and pre-approve a claim saying they'll pay the 2 lakhs, for instance, manlo, that will cost to fix your broken shoulder, if you have a broken shoulder, that is. This way, you won't have to pay a single penny from your pocket. You don't even have to worry about all the medical documents and submit them to the insurance company because the hospital will do it for you. So once again, the premise is very simple. You can just chill, get your procedure done, and walk out of the hospital without worrying about documents or paying a single penny out of pocket. This is great. However, most claims aren't processed this way. They happen on a reimbursement basis, which means first you pay for your medical procedure, broken shoulder, out of pocket. Then you submit all your medical bills and documents to the insurance company, and then you wait for them to pay you back, which can take a while, by the way. So clearly, out of reimbursement and cashless claim is the way to go. But the only problem is that you can only make cashless claims in certain specific hospitals. Every insurance company ties up with some hospitals that they call network hospitals. So if you visit a network hospital, you can make a cashless claim. If not, then reimbursement is your only option. Obviously, this has been a big problem for the industry. And that's why a few weeks ago, all the general insurance companies, health insurance companies came together and said that you can now make a cashless claim in any hospital, even if it's not included in the empaneled list of cashless hospitals for your insurer. And this is cashless everywhere. So how will this work? Very simple. If it's a planned procedure, like say a cataract surgery or something, you have to inform the insurance company 2 days in advance before admission that you will be making a cashless everywhere claim. And if it's an emergency and you don't have time to intimate the insurance company, then you can do it within 2 days of admission. Once you intimate the insurance company, they will share an MOU, a memorandum of understanding, with the hospital regarding the rates, procedures, etc. And if your claim is legitimate, then the insurance company will pre-approve the claim. This is like cashless only, but you can do it in any hospital, whether it's a network hospital or not. Ultimately, you will have to pay no money or very little money out of pocket, and the claim will be approved on a cashless basis. That's the promise, at least on paper. And this looks like a fabulous initiative. It solves a real pain point that so many customers have had for so many years. This whole business of tracking network hospitals and only visiting these hospitals for cashless claims. In fact, this is a problem that we've encountered at Ditto, making sure that we tell customers to track network hospitals and make sure they only visit those hospitals if they have to make a cashless claim. Now, with cashless everywhere, all these problems are solved and customers should be happy. Except there is one big issue, and that is the hospitals are not very happy with this scheme. In fact, the Indian Medical Association Hospital Board of India has issued an advisory warning all its members to not accept cashless everywhere in its current format. They're basically saying, do not accept cashless everywhere claims because this could put you out of business, you meaning the hospital. And this comes as a shock to many people who are celebrating this cashless everywhere ka move. And hospitals actually have their own reasons for not being very happy with this move. So let me explain this by actually explaining how currently cashless claims are processed in network hospitals. Right now, an insurance company will go to a hospital and tell them that they will include their facility in the cashless network in their empaneled list if they give them a package deal or discount. To give you a simple example, if the hospital says a total knee replacement will cost 1.5 lakhs for cash paying customers, then the insurer will ask for a discount package to settle the bill on a cashless basis. Say they'll ask for a 1 lakh quote as opposed to 1,50,000. So 50,000 ka discount. And if the hospital agrees, then they will be included in the empaneled list. And many people who own that insurance policy may visit their facility because now they offer cashless benefit. As a result, the hospital gets better footfall, more people coming in, and the insurer can settle the bill at a discounted rate. So everybody wins. However, if the insurance company and the hospital cannot agree on a standard rate, then the hospital will not be included in the empaneled list of cashless hospital. So the hospital will lose out on the extra footfall, but that's okay because they don't want to offer the discount and they don't mind losing the footfall because from this one insurance company, kitne log aayenge. And the thing is, different insurance companies negotiate different rates with hospitals. Private insurance companies usually can negotiate a 10-12% discount on the actual rate. But the public sector insurers usually get a better discount, some 20-25%. This is because public sector insurance companies have a lot of customers. They insure a lot of people. So if you're a hospital owner and you are not on their empaneled list of cashless hospitals, then you could lose out on all these customers. Also, they can negotiate better because they do it together in a group called GIPSA. So they have even higher bargaining power. Anyway, the problem with cashless everywhere is that the current notification asks insurers to get the most economical rate while pre-approving claims. Meaning, if some hospital has entered into an agreement with public sector insurers to offer a 30% discount on the actual rate, then every insurer, whether public or private, will offer the lowest rate prior to authorizing a claim using cashless everywhere scheme. So basically, the insurance company are saying, this is the lowest discounted rate that you will provide to us. And this is the only way cashless everywhere will work. So hospitals are naturally saying, sir, we cannot offer this discount to every insurer who wants to process a cashless claim because if we did, we will go broke. We can offer it to some public insurers because they bring in so many customers, but some random insurer who I've never heard of, you're asking me to offer such deep discounts to this guy too under cashless everywhere? Why? What is the point? In fact, in the advisory, the Hospital Board of India has even attached the actual rate according to their calculations which hospitals should be charging versus the expected rate insurers are likely to offer. And the difference in rates, as you can see, it's laughable even. There's like a 5x difference in some cases. So yeah, irrespective of who is right in this debate in the current format, it seems that there will be a lot of resistance from hospitals to accept cashless everywhere. They will most likely not accept these rates. And this leaves us with one big question. What should customers do? Our advice is very simple. In our opinion, Ditto's opinion, this will probably take a while to solve. It's not like they won't solve it. Right? But before cashless everywhere begins to start working consistently, I think the best option is to still consider network hospitals before you buy an insurance policy. If an insurance company already lists a hospital in their empanel list of cashless hospitals, it means the negotiation about rates are complete. They've already agreed on the package. So there won't be any issue for customers on that front at least. Yes, it's possible that the insurance company may deny your cashless claim for whatever reason, but at least the hospital will not have an issue. So yes, cashless everywhere is an amazing scheme. However, for the time being, I think it's still important for you to probably visit a network hospital as opposed to any hospital and hope that the cashless everywhere scheme works, because we are not entirely sure how the scheme will evolve in the few weeks coming ahead. Also, if you're looking to buy a health insurance policy, don't forget to check out the link in the description box at Ditto, because we have IRDAI certified advisors who won't just tell you the headline but also explain everything that goes on behind the headline, like this cashless everywhere scheme. So if you haven't done it already, visit the description box, book a call with Ditto and get the best advice for you and your family when buying health and term insurance for free. Also, if you like this video, like always, leave an actual like on the video and comment your thoughts about this cashless everywhere scheme, right? Like if you know of anyone who's actually made a claim under this scheme and whether you think it will actually work. And we'll be really interested to hear all your thoughts and we'll try and reply to as many comments as possible. Like always, I hope you liked this video and enjoyed this video. And until then, happy insurance hunting.